Hello Word, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the wonderful world of vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you with me today. Our word of the day is carrot. A carrot is an A1 level noun meaning an orange root vegetable. So what exactly is a carrot? Well, it's that crunchy, sweet, and oh so orange vegetable that rabbits adore and that we often find in salads, stews, or even enjoyed as a healthy snack. Think of Bugs Bunny. He's practically synonymous with carrots. It's a staple in many diets and known for its nutritional benefits, particularly for eyesight. Now, let's explore some synonyms for carrot. While there isn't a direct synonym for the word carrot itself, we can use descriptive phrases. For instance, instead of saying I'm eating a carrot, you could say I'm eating an orange root vegetable. This isn't exactly replacing the word, but it provides a descriptive alternative. Another way to phrase it is, I'm having a garden vegetable, a carrot to be exact. In a sentence, she packed an orange root vegetable, a carrot, for her lunch. Or he offered the horse a garden vegetable, a carrot. See how we use the description followed by the specific word? Now let's delve into antonyms. This is where it gets interesting, as carrot is a specific noun. However, we can consider things that are not carrots as antonyms in a broader sense. Think of other vegetables, especially those that are not root vegetables or are a different color. Examples include broccoli, spinach, and tomato. In sentences, instead of a carrot, she chose broccoli for her side dish. He preferred spinach to a carrot in his salad. She used a tomato, not a carrot, to make her sauce. These words represent vegetables distinctly different from carrots. Now, how can you use carrot in everyday life? Well, you can talk about eating carrots as a snack. I'm having carrots and dip. Or discussing cooking. I'm adding carrots to the soup. You might even use it in a conversation about gardening. I'm growing carrots in my garden this year. Consider these example sentences and phrases. She chopped the carrot into small pieces. He peeled the carrot before eating it. These carrots are very sweet. The carrot cake was delicious. My favorite snack is carrots with hummus. Can you buy some carrots at the grocery store? The rabbit loves to eat carrots. The soup contains carrots, potatoes, and onions. He planted carrot seeds in spring. I prefer raw carrots to cooked ones. She grated the carrot for the salad. The juice contained apple and carrot. Would you like a carrot stick? The farm grows carrots and other vegetables. The recipe calls for 2 carrots. As you can see, carrot is a common and versatile word used in various contexts related to food, gardening, and even animal care. Remember, a carrot is an orange root vegetable. It is often found in salads and used as a snack. Some words that are not carrots include broccoli, spinach, and tomato. You can say, I am having carrots for dinner. Or the carrot is good for your eyes. That wraps up our episode on the word carrot. I hope you enjoyed learning about this common and nutritious vegetable. Thank you for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. I would love to know how you would use the word carrot. Create your own sentence using the word carrot and share it in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of words.